I heard about Omni's precision lathes. Might be time to make the call.
About Omni's quality. Pop deserves better than some hack job.
Hello and welcome to Omni Machine's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over our very own first branded engine lathe, a 13 by 36. What's special about this is that it's 110 power, and we brought this in especially for gunsmiths, those that work in their garage, the hobbies. Let's get started. Here it is here. It comes automatic with your 3-jaw chuck, tool post, steady rest, follow rest, your work light, your tailstock, your coolant. Here's a coolant pump. Over here, it also comes with your toolbox, 4-jaw chuck, and a faceplate. Unfortunately, it does not have a brake. All right, let's turn the bad boy on. It's on already, powered up. It hit jog. Start. Now jog. As you can see, the automatic feed. Let's turn it off jog. Closer look. It has a 1.5-inch spindle. Let's stop it. Go the opposite way. Hardening induction grind bedways. I have 10 of them in stock. Perfect for the gunsmith. You can thread your barrel, make yourself some silencers if you legally can. 110 power, goes right in the garage. Ships out of Pomona, California. And here we have the operational manual that comes with it. If you have any questions, please email us. The email is info@omnimachineinc.com. Or you also give us a call at area code 626-536-8052. Hope everyone have a good day. Let's reverse this before it gets to the tailstock and go back the other way. So yeah, you can change the speeds and so forth. I have it on low. And that's it, folks. Thank you for visiting.